In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey in Mailchimp. So first, go ahead and open Mailchimp in your browser and log into your account like normal. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll land on the main overview where your audience tools and campaign options are available. What we're focusing on here is the survey feature, so you'll want to head into the audience section first. Go ahead and click audience, and once it opens, look through the menu options until you see surveys. Click surveys, and this will take you to the area where all your existing surveys are stored and where you can create new ones. Now click create new survey. This starts the survey builder and opens a fresh setup screen where you can begin building your questions from scratch. The first thing you'll need to do is enter your survey name. Just type in a clear title so you know what the survey is for later on, especially if you plan to create more than one. Next, click the audience drop down menu and select the audience you want this survey to target. This step is important because it determines who will receive or have access to your survey responses. Once selected, go ahead and click begin to move into the actual builder. Now you'll be inside the survey editor. At this point, click the plus icon to start adding your first question. After clicking it, choose a section type depending on how you want respondents to answer. This could vary based on whether you want multiple choice, text answers, or another format. Once your question block appears, type your question into the what would you like to ask field. This is where you define exactly what you want to ask your audience, so keep it clear and direct. On the right side, you'll see the section type sidebar. If you want to make sure people must answer the question, toggle on the required slider. This ensures respondents cannot submit the survey without answering that question first. If you want to build more questions quickly, you can click duplicate question to copy the one you just made, which saves time if the structure is similar. If you added something by mistake or don't need a question anymore, you can click delete question to remove it. Once your questions are set up, click continue to design. This moves you into the design stage where you can customize how your survey looks visually. From here, you can adjust the layout, styling, and overall appearance of your survey so it matches your branding or preference. Take your time here and make any changes needed so everything looks clean and easy to respond to. After you're satisfied with the design, click review to move forward. This gives you a final chance to check everything before publishing, including questions, settings, and audience selection. When you're ready to make it live, click continue. This will publish your survey so it can be shared with your selected audience and start collecting responses. And that's it, a complete step-by-step way to create a survey in Mailchimp using the built-in survey tool from setup all the way to publishing.